Hey there, Scouser Tech here. We are going to do a quick video on how to reset your oil indicator light. This is the oil life indicator light that you see here on your dash. I'm going to go ahead and turn the truck on for you. I've got the hood open, so we should see a notification there for the hood on the middle. So with that, you got your change engine oil soon indicator up. This is going to come up within that last, I believe, 5%, if not less, on your indicator lamp here. What we can do is show you how to scroll through here on your steering wheel. We're going to go over to the right buttons. We're going to use the middle button to select. Your left button will go to the left. Bring up some of your other menus. Your right is going to highlight that right arrow as well. The up and down we're going to use so that way we can go through. I'm again on trip A right now. As you can see, we're on trip B. Got quite a few miles since my last oil change. We've reset that by holding down the enter button. My fuel range has not been good lately, but again, I did just do a big tow with the truck for a few projects upcoming. So stay tuned for those. Just filled up very recently, so going through to the oil life, we're going to go to the right arrow. So in order to get there, you're going to use that right button and select that by hitting then the reset. Because I'm at 0%, we're going to hit the middle button, which is going to OK or clear that. You're going to be prompted with, are you sure you want to reset that? You're going to go ahead and scroll to the right, and you're going to hit yes. Again, with the right arrow and the select. That's going to auto reset the button to 100%, and we have 100% remaining now on our oil life. Does not necessarily mean you have to change your oil at that given time. With a lot of these new synthetics, it's not recommended that you have to do it at a certain, 3,500, 5,200, 5,000. Really depends on your driving. Looking at the fuel economy of the last, 400 miles there, I'm going to reset my score because, again, I was towing a lot of projects back home so we can share with y'all. But again, this is a very quick and easy thing to do. You may have to do it after you go into Jiffy Lube or some of those other oil change places because, unfortunately, they do forget to reset it. If you do take it in for maintenance with Chevy, they are very good at doing that. But we're going to go ahead and start this up. Show that the check engine light is not on for those who somehow see those indicators on and have proved that mine is on. But again, it will come on if you have not started your engine. But Chevy is doing very good for me. I'm at about 1,500 or 15,000 miles. Still having a great time with her. And if you're looking for a way or a video, if you'd like me to do, this is a quick tutorial just of where your oil dipstick is, where you're going to go ahead and put your oil in. My truck takes 0W20, and I actually got a great deal of it on Amazon, about $18. What we're going to do is go underneath the driver's side, and we're going to go under the truck. I've already got the oil pan, everything down here. And what you're going to do is you'll see I have my blue filter here. That blue filter is the one from Chevy. The last time I got it serviced, they went ahead and popped one in about 6,000, 7,000 miles. That was the free oil change that they give you 2 of them. So be checking back in with them. But if anyone looks for a video for this, just let me know, and I'll put one together. Thanks, and stay tuned. Upcoming videos, keep those likes coming, and definitely just keep hitting that subscribe. Really enjoy all of you and some of those questions I've been getting from people, so keep them coming, and stay tuned to all the new stuff I got rolling out here very shortly.